Good morning, friends. Welcome to SNRG Investment Academy. Today we will be discussing about Glenmark Life Sciences Ltd. This company is very undervalued right now. The listing was done recently, and the IPO price was 720, and it got listed at 751. But from there, the fall started, and the current price is 405 and for almost 406 rupees. So the company, those who have invested in the IPO, they are incurring huge losses, and those who try to average this also, they are also having huge loss. But the thing is that the fundamentally this company is very strong and having good balance and good sales, ROC, ROE, everything is good. So we'll be today and trying to analyze this stock, and we'll be uh, taking a decision whether we need to currently invest in this stock, or whether we need to hold this stock, whatever investment we have. Otherwise, we should be exiting this stock. That we'll be analyzing together. The thing is that if after the IPO price was 720 and listed at 751, and almost those who invested in the IPO, they are occurring 43 percentage loss currently, and those who have averaged it, then they'll be incurring less loss. But the thing is that the percentage wise, the thing is that they'll also seeing the red. So we will be going through the fundamentals of this stock. Then we'll be putting a strategy to how to accumulate or what we need to do with this stock. The company is having a market cap of nearly 5000 crore, and the current price is as on Friday it is 406, and high 1 year high was 668 and low is 370. So there was a recent movement from 370 level to 400 and 1820 level, but that not got sustained, and again it started falling, and the current price is 406, and the P is very reasonable, 11.7, and the book value is 168, and the company is having good dividend yield, that is very attractive, 5.17 percentage. The ROC is very good, and ROE is also good. ROC is 42.2 percentage, and ROE is 29.9 percentage, and debt to equity is 0, so it's a zero debt company. So all these things are good. Still the stock market is not valuing this stock, and it is currently underperforming. And the sales growth also 5 years, 3 years, everything is good. Only that there is a quarter wise, last quarter there was a fall of quarter sales variance is minus 6.67 percentage. If we are comparing this with the peers, you can see that the Sun Pharma is having PE of 30.31. At the same time, you are getting this stock at 11.66. There is a difference between these companies. The Sun Pharma is a very high, big company, and the market cap is 2,34,247 crore. And compared to that, Glenmark is only 5,000. So it's you can see that it's a small cap company. We can say small cap, mid cap, that level. All others are big companies, pharma companies, and there may be there will be accordingly the market will be valuing differently and growth perspective also. But the comparing, if you are comparing the PE, the PEs of Glenmark, P of Glenmark Life is very reasonable, 11.66 only. The dividend yield is also, if you can see, the dividend yield is 5.17. That is also good. ROC is 42.25, and debt to equity is 0. That is also very good. If you can see the performance, you can see that the sales got reduced from March 2022 it was 514, but right now June 2022 it is 490 only. And but the company tried to reduce the expenses, so accordingly the operating profit from 142 it jumped to 147. Even though there was a reduction in the sales, the operating profit got increased because of the expense, they were reducing the expenses. So the net profit also 99 to it came to 109. Earning per share also got increased. The company is fundamentally good company, and it is available at a low price. The market is not valuing. And if you are planning for a long-term perspective and long-term investor, definitely you should have some portion of this stock in your portfolio, because at one point of time when the good results coming, and then the market will start to value the company at the fair price. At that time the share will be definitely catch up with the market sentiment, and it will be going up. So by that time if you are trying to invest, it may not be feasible, or will not be getting the company at a good price. There will be sudden movement in the share price when it is going up, and you will not be able to catch that at that moment. So when the price is at a lower level, start to accumulate slowly, and do not invest all of your money in this stock. That is not a good idea. Maybe for 1 or 2 years the share may be underperforming. That time all the money will be stuck there. Only the amount which you are okay to hold for 2-3 years, that amount you can invest in this stock. Also the company is giving good dividend yield of 5%, 5.17%. That is also very attractive. And you can see that there is not much data available because it got listed recently only, and still the stock price CAGR is currently minus 39%. Those who are holding this stock from the IPO price, definitely they are seeing huge loss in their portfolio. But those who are averaging, they are got very good opportunity to average out. Still they will all be showing their portfolio in red only. Those who are planning to invest in this stock newly, then this is the best time to start, but do not go for a bulk purchase. Slowly you can accumulate. If there is any further fall, you can accumulate more. Shareholding pattern, from this you can see that the promoters are holding 82.85% of the stock. That is definitely for a normal stock, the promoters holding is high, then that will be a good. But the thing is that it got recently listed, and the promoters are having 82% holding, means they should reduce their holding below 75. So definitely within 2-3 years there may be a chance that one further offering, there will be chance that further offering will come from promoter side to reduce the stock. So that time we need to see whether the price is coming below, or whether what they are actually doing. Definitely there are time for 2-3 years are there. Maybe that's why the reason why the market is not valuing in this stock, because the fundamentally the company is strong and having good numbers and good result, good dividend also. And FIIs are also reducing the stock from 8.3 to 8.12, then 7.58. But DAs are slowly accumulating, and the public also accumulating the stock. So 2-3 things are there. One is that the company performance, the sales growth last quarter gone down, and the second thing is that FIAs are reducing their stake. That may be another reason. And one more thing is that market is expecting the promoter to hold the below 75. So there is an uncertainty that what will be their action, how they will be reducing. So these three reasons may be that's why the stock is not performing well. Otherwise fundamentally the stock is very good. There is a huge quantity buying happened. Somebody FI or DI or a big investor is trying to accumulate this stock at this level, 370 to 380 level. That accumulation happened, and from there also 400 and 420 the stock reached almost up to 420 level. Then after that there is a small correction happened, and the stock is right now at 406. So it is possible that some big investor is finding this current level as a good buying opportunity and trying to accumulate this stock. So we can also, anyway the share price is trading at attractive PE, and the almost correction 43% correction happened from IPO price. The IPO was a little bit overpriced. Still the current price is very comfortable level, and the fundamentally also the GLS is having good fundamentals and a good profit generating company, and they have reserve also, cash reserves also. considering all those things, we should be accumulating this stock if for a long term perspective. Do not buy for a short term perspective or trading purpose. That is another part. I am not talking about that you can do that technical analysis and all. Based on that you can predict. I am talking here in this video, I am talking about the for the fundamental and long term perspective. In that case you can accumulate the stock at this current level, and if further fall is happening, there also you can accumulate. And the company is fundamentally, we have already analyzed the company is fundamentally good share, and the long term perspective, almost correction 40% correction happened in this stock. So further, if there is any correction happening in the entire market, like Nifty going back to 15,000, then this share also will go down. Otherwise, I feel that there should be a recovery happening in this stock, and by that time we should have accumulated enough quantity so that we'll be profiting from that. So this is from my side. You can do your own analysis, and based on that your analysis you can do the decision making. Do not go by my words. I am giving you the perspective. What is my perspective? I have already accumulated. I have already got IPO in the share. I got in IPO. Also I have accumulated, and then 418 I have accumulated. 425 earlier I have accumulated. If the correction happening, then I will be accumulating more quantity. And the dividend yield is also 5.17 is very good. Hope this video is helpful for you. If yes, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.